Very good morning and welcome class 4 in your EVS class. Today we will write the question answers as we have completed the chapter. So looking around is your book. Have you seen your book? This type of book you have got. So the activity book we will complete. Okay. So the first chapter we will write going to school. Take out your activity book. We will complete the question answers and whatever the things are given here we will complete that. Okay. Kindly take out your activity book, looking around, and we will complete going to school. I am very happy to see Anushka Goswami in the screen. After a long time I have seen her face. So I am very happy to see all of you. So right now we will do it. Okay. Good morning everybody. Now we will start going to school activity book. So take out your activity book. We will complete the few of the questions. Okay. How much it will be possible we will do that. Going to school. So the very first question is fill in the blanks with the correct words. So the number 1, a dash help us in lifting a heavy thing. So number 1 is fill in the blanks. You see fill in the blanks. So number 1 is, or you can say A is, what it would be? Yes, very good. Daksha has written it is pulley. So write down pulley. First A is pulley. Now what would be the B? A cement bridge is dash than a wooden bridge. Who will write? Yes, stronger. All the answers I am getting from Daksha. I want some more involvement. Few of you, few of other students, please give the answers. Maybe it is correct, maybe it is wrong, but answers are expected from you. Okay. So very good Daksha. Again it is stronger. It is B is stronger. Okay. Now, yes, it is stronger. Now, the next one is turn over the page. See the page number 2. Okay. Here a river can be crossed by a dash. What it would be? Page number, it is given page number 2 actually. Yes, 2. Second page. Turn over the page. It is vellum. Dhriti has written. Very good Dhriti. You have read the chapter. So C is vellum. Very good Dhriti. It is vellum. Now the D is can we build a bridge over a railway line? Yes or no? No. Yes. Who has written? Abhimanyu? Why we can't? No. Sorry. Dhriti has written no. Why Dhriti? Why we can't? We can build a bridge over a railway line. Yes. We have seen no. A bridge is there over the railway line. In the platform also we can see no. So it is yes. Okay. Write down yes. It is a yes. Now what is E? A bamboo bridge is a dash structure. Pakka, semi-pakka, kacha. What it would be? Pakka, kacha, semi. Yes. Daksha has written it is actually kacha. Kacha means weak. Isn't it? So E is a kacha because bamboo bridge is not at all a strong structure, it is a kacha structure. Now we will see true and false. Question 2. Write true or false. So the number 1 or A you can see. What is A? Bridges are made of cement, brick, iron rod, etc. Is it correct? Yes, very good. Daksha again given. It is true. Daksha and Daniel both have given. It is actually true. Yes, this is true. Now the B statement is people can't walk on bamboo bridge. Is it true? It is a false statement. Yes, Orindam has given the correct answer. It is a false statement. Now C is there. 4 or 5 people can sit in a trolley. Listen one thing. After asking the question, you will give the answer. Otherwise, constantly you are giving no, I become confused. Who has given the answer? Okay. So here it is. Jehan has given and Swagatam has given and Daniel, they all have, Daniel has written yes and Swagatam has written true, 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 true. So it is true. Okay. So 4 or 5 persons can sit in a trolley. It is a C is a true statement. Yes is not any option, Daniel. Yes is not an option. True and false are the option. Okay. So you can write either true or false. Clear? Okay. Now D is there. Jugat is usually used in villages. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Daksha and Aditi and Riti, they all have given. It is a true answer. So the D is again true. And then E. Bullock carts are used in deserts. Is it a true answer? It is false. Daksha at first written, then Aditi, Swagato, Orindam, Abhimanyu, Orindam again, Daniel, Shinkha, Dhriti, and then last one is Anushka. So once I get the correct answer, please don't write others because so many one same answer comes, no? So it is a true or false. Actually, bullock carts are not used in deserts, they are used in plains. So it is a false statement. Okay. Now these all are completed, true and false. Now again match the following. So first one is a picture of what? One is match with the, one is the match, or you can say one is the match with C, isn't it? Because this is the figure of pulley, and second one is matches with what? Second one is matches with D, or you can say this is concrete bridge. The match of third one is what? This is a ropeway. Yes. So 3 is with the A. And fourth one is with the B. See what are the matches? First one is with the C, that is pulley. Second one is a concrete beach, so it is matches with D. 3 or the helicopter, this one is actually ropeway, So 3 is matches with A and fourth one is matches with which one? B. Clear to you? Yes. So now completed this one. Now answer the following question. Up till here, is it any problem? Related this question, any problem? No. So I will write the answer the following 1 and 2 we will write only, and the rest we will write the next class. Okay. So the fourth one is answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Question A, how are bridges useful for us? So, answer write down bridges are useful to us as they connect two places over the okay, don't write that much, just write down two places as it connects two places and make a easy path to cross. So write down bridges are useful to us as they connect two places and make a easy path, P-A-T-H, easy path to cross. Okay. Next question, Muhammad Azizul Ahman, I didn't tell you to write your presence. Till I will tell, don't write your absent or present. Okay. After completing the class, I'll tell you. One more question we will write. What is the need of trolley? A trolley is needed to carry people or luggage. carry people or things, loads from one place to another place in hilly areas. So write it down. A trolley is needed to carry people or things, or you can say loads, from one place to another place in hilly areas. I think it is clear to you. Please write down. So write your presence now. Okay, write your presence and goodbye. I will try to upload the video so that you will come to know. Okay.